I was paid this amount just for doing almost nothing. All I have to do is to relax and start earning. If you want to know how I earn this kind of money online, all you have to do is to calm down, watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to teach you how to register, how you can make money and withdraw from this particular platform. If it is the first time of coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Vincent Kiruka. I'm Coach Nikki. All I do here is teach you how to make money, how I make my own money online. If this type of thing interests you, please, all you have to do is to kindly subscribe to this channel, because I drop updates, you understand. Join my community group. Click the link on the description box or comment section and join my community group, because mostly I drop update there first before anything. And to my old subscribers, I really appreciate you for liking, sharing and commenting on my videos, you understand. So thank you guys very much, and let's dive into the video right away. So to get on this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on my description box or comment section. It will bring you here. Once it brings you here, all you have to do is to click on this three dash up here, click on it and click sign up, okay. So once you click the sign up, it will bring you here. Input your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your country, your password, and click on create account. Once you are done creating your account, you sign in, right? It will bring you here. I have to open your account to show you how these things work, right? So I have my other account that is paying me already, so I have to open this account. This site is all about a fintech company that uses AI to stake and trade with your money. Then they will give you returns at the end of the day, right? If this interests you, keep watching this video to the very end, because I'm going to explain how it works and how you can earn on this platform. Okay, so they have two types of investment. They have short-term investment and long-term investment. So in short-term investment, they basically have 1 day investment, 7 days investment, and 30 days investment. Okay, for short term, minimum distance taken for 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days is $20. For 1 day, the maximum you can input is $100. For 7 days, the maximum you can input is $500, and for 30 days, the maximum you can input is $15, you understand. So but the minimum you can input, minimum, that's the smaller amount you can input. But the 1 day investment, 7 days investment, and 30 days investment is $20, right? If you don't have $100. In long-term investment, 3 months minimum investment is $20, while maximum is $5,000. For 6 months, minimum investment is $20, while maximum is $10,000. For 1 year, minimum of investment is $20, and maximum is unlimited. You can invest whatever you want. But before you deposit on this platform, there is what is called trading bot. You know that you will not be always be around to trade. So this trading bot will help you trade, you understand. That's the AI. It will help you trade and collect your money. You have to buy the AI trade to the trading bot. You have to buy trading bot, which costs $9.99, right, which is $10. And also there is the one of $29.99, which is $30. To buy the trade, all you have to do after you have done depositing, all you have to do is to click on this little dash. Click on this dash here. You will see stake, you will see trading bot. Click on it. You can activate this $99. So this $9.9 will always give you any investment that you make. If it is the short term or long term, will always give you 0.3 to 1.3% return of investment daily, you understand. So for this 29.99, which is $30, you'll be getting 0.8 to 2% of return of investment, you understand. So the $10 own give you 76% assurance, while the $29 own gives you 90% winning rate, you understand. So but me, I don't have money for this this second one. I'm going to activate the first one, right? I'm going to activate the first one. All I have to do is to click on activate both. So it is activating now. As you can see, it's now active. It's now active. My bot is now active, right? So let's go let me teach you how you can deposit on this platform, because after depositing, then I'll show you how to you can stake and start earning on this platform. So let's click on deposit. So to deposit, you have you only deposit on USDT. If you don't have USDT, as in you don't have and you don't know how to buy, so all you have to do is to click on this app, go to your Apple Store or Play Store, download Spender app, right? Download Spender app. So while registering, input this code that you're seeing on your screen right now. Input the code, because it will once you input it, they will give you bonus. So it's very simple. You can navigate it. You can go to YouTube and search how to create a Spender account and how to deposit on it. It's very simple. Very simple. That's what I've been using. You understand? So once you are done, all you have to do, you deposit on that app. Then you can come back here. You can deposit on Bitcoin, or you click here. You can deposit with USDT. You can deposit with TRC20. You can deposit with Ethereum, anyone. Let's say I want to use USDT BEP20. I'll click on it. I'll click on deposit. Then I'll copy the address. I'll copy the wallet address. Then I can make payments. Once I'm done making payment, I'll come back and click I have paid. Right? So that's basically how. Once you are done, automatically your money will drop. Okay? Your money will drop immediately. Then once your money drop, you click on this 3 dash here. Then you go to trading bot and go and activate your trading bot, right? Like I taught you before. Then once you're activating your trading bot, you click on stake, right? Click on it. Then you scroll back. You see, this one is new account. I've not done anything on it. So my other account is still running. You click on short term. You see, we have short term and we have long term, right? So minimum this thing you can stake. Minimum stake is $10 here, right? You can increase, you can decrease, right? So this is 7 days, this is 1 month, as you can see, right? If you want to go for a long term, you click on the long term. Then, but me, I'm going for a short term. Let's go for short term, right? So I'm staking amount for 7 days. Let's go for 7 days. Then I'll click stake. So I have staked. Yeah, as you can see, stake created. So it will start counting for me, right? I'll be getting returns. 0.3 to 1.3% daily. You understand? So that's basically how it was. It keep on reading on. Okay. So depending on amount, you can do $20. You can do the rest. You understand? You can do higher amounts. So if you want to withdraw, you click on this 3 dash there. You click on withdraw. Then you can copy your address on that Spender account. Click on the one that you want. Is it ERC20 or Bitcoin or TRC20 or ERC20? Any of them. I will still make a video concerning the Spender account tomorrow. So make sure you come back and register and watch. You understand? So once you are done, you click on the amount you want to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $10. So you click on $10 and click continue withdraw. Right, you withdraw your money. So that's basically all about this app. That's everything about this app. You understand? So you can do well to register. No, this is what I do to make my money online. Please do your own research. I will not be holding any responsibility if anything goes wrong. You understand? This is how I make my money, and you can do your own research before investing. Thank you. See you in my next video.